Hello students, today we are going to study a very important topic, water pollution and microbial diseases. This topic is extremely important for science as well as exams. Asterisk in today's world, water pollution is increasing rapidly, and understanding this topic will not only help you in exams but also make you more aware about real-life environmental issues. Water pollution means contamination of water bodies like rivers, lakes, and groundwater by harmful substances, making water unsafe for drinking, agriculture, and aquatic life. BOD means biochemical oxygen demand. It is the amount of oxygen required by microorganisms to break down organic waste. Higher BOD means more pollution and less oxygen for aquatic life. There are three main sources of water pollution: industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and domestic sewage. Among these, sewage is the most common source in India. Industries release harmful chemicals like mercury and lead into water bodies. They also release hot water, causing thermal pollution which reduces oxygen in water. These toxic substances can enter the food chain and affect human health, making industrial pollution extremely dangerous. Fertilizers contain nitrates and phosphates. These cause algal blooms, which block sunlight and reduce oxygen levels. This process is called eutrophication. Domestic sewage contains harmful bacteria, viruses, and detergents. These increase pollution and spread diseases through contaminated water. Water pollution leads to serious effects: waterborne diseases, death of aquatic life, and formation of dead zones due to lack of oxygen. Asterisk, these effects not only damage the environment but also create serious health risks for humans. Waterborne diseases spread through contaminated water via the fecal-oral route. Common diseases include cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae bacteria. It causes severe watery diarrhea and dehydration. Treatment includes ORS and clean drinking water. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. It leads to high fever, weakness, and digestive problems. It spreads through contaminated food and water. Maintaining hygiene and proper sanitation is the best way to prevent this disease. Malaria is caused by the Plasmodium parasite and spreads through the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. These mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Therefore, avoiding stagnant water around homes is very important to control mosquito breeding. Water can be purified using boiling, chlorination, and modern methods like RO and UV treatment. Boiling kills germs, while RO removes chemicals. Using proper purification methods ensures that water is safe and free from harmful microorganisms. To prevent diseases, always use clean drinking water, maintain hygiene, and avoid stagnant water. Revise this topic regularly and practice questions. Jai Hind.